Do you want to know how you can log into your Fragomen account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fragomen account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the search bar and search for Fragomen login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. Now if you want to log in to your Fragomen Immigration Management Suite, click on second, and if you want to log in Immigration Connect by Fragomen, click on the first link. What you need to do is write down your username. Make sure you enter your username created during account activation. If you don't know your username, click Forgot Username, which is down below. So after you write down your username, press continue, then write your password and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Fragomen Connect account. Now let me teach you how you can log into your Fragomen Immigration Management Suite. Go ahead and click on this link which says Fragomen Immigration Suite. Now write down your username, your password and then click login. This way you can log into your Fragomen client account or your Fragomen account. If you want to log in with SSO, click on this link and it will take you to another login portal where you can sign in with using your organizational account. So write down your email address of your organization, your password and then click sign in. This way you can log in with your SSO as well. This was a video on how you can log into your Fragomen account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.